What has become of this city? There used to be laws, justice, not anymore. Crime is out of control. Cats are missing, and townspeople are being victimized.
Oh, hey! Who pooped on my porch?
What's going on with you? Whoa! Whoa!
We were supposed to protect those who couldn't protect themselves.
Get off my car, you little pecker!
Now superheroes are torn apart by political differences. We are two sides at war. But war isn't going to save our city. Time travel is my only hope now. Myths tell of ancient times, when a new king united a kingdom torn apart by a powerful stick.
Hi, hon.
Shut up, Mom! There's no time to waste. I have to go back, change the present if I can, and find this cat. And in doing so, perhaps I can change what has happened to all of us.
The Moorish are attacking! There's Moorish everywhere! Don't let them get to our base!
It's too late! They've taken Koopa Keep! Ah! Phyllis, they got the base! You gotta stop them!
Fight the Moorish! Their armor is too strong. They're wearing bicycle helmets. Where is the king?
We should be happy that he's made friends in this town so quickly.
We came here to hide. More friends just means more trouble.
You're being paranoid. You need to lay off that stuff. It's changing you.
Oh, lay off! It's the one thing that helps me relax from your stupid shit! Oh, hey, whippersnapper. Didn't see you there.
Your friends are downstairs, kiddo. Get out there and play.
Yeah.
keep. You gotta come fight, my liege. You're our only hope. Lord, come on, dude. Not cool. What, you just moved to town and you get to be king? Well, I think you're a little pussy. I'm not afraid of you and your strategic king combos. Oh, man. Knock him out, king! Ow! We can't stop him! Ready the guards of the dark... Wow! Did you see that? The king's amazing! His powers are unparalleled!
You can't take us all on. Yeah, just walk away.
Don't listen to him, king! Punch their lights out! Come on, hit him! Hey, what? I'm supposed to go first. Nuh-uh, the king got combat advantage. He goes first. Wah! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, the humanity! It's fine, they're the bad guys. Oh, yeah, go, king! You can't keep the Moors down.
Your king's too powerful. That was super gross, but not gross enough to defeat us.
Our king shrugs off your puny blows. You have no chance against all of us. Good. Great smiting, king. Let's go. We've got to get inside Cartman's house. Stand aside or die. We're going through that door.
You can't,
Oh, yeah? Why not?
because everything in front of here is lava.
Oh, dude, no way. All that is lava?
Yep, everything from here to here is lava. You can't cross it.
Shit! Come on, let's get inside. We can't. They're saying everything in front of the door is lava. Oh, that's not fair. What do we do, my king? What do you do now? You die. Release the dragon! A dragon? We're fine. That's the dragon roar. It's pissed. Oh, man. He's still not dead? Wow, did he just fart on a dragon? Heck yeah, he did. Ha! Our king is undefeatable. Ready the fire breath. Get out of the way of the fire breath. Don't end your turn where it's gonna hit you. Our king dodged it! Ah, damn it! Okay, if you get a fire breath attack, our king gets his hammer of heavenly rain. You can't stop the kick! Car!
Stay out of the street, damn kids!
Clear! As I was saying, you can't stop the king! He is all powerful! What a tiny!
Whoa, shit.
Dragon Slayer!
Oh my god, he defeated the dragon.
No frickin' way! That kid's amazing! Maybe there's a way in through the garage, my lord. If there's a way in through the garage, the king will find it. Yes, only the king can find the secret way in through the garage. If there is one. only the king with his infinite wisdom and strength can get past this impassable barrier. Wow! Did you see that? The king go ahead, your highness. Use your unparalleled intellect. Well, King Douchebag is such a skillful warrior. Did you see how he moved that ladder and used it to climb up? He truly is the most powerful king in all the realms.
Holy fuck, he's amazing. I thought the king was going to do a sweet jump, but then he just did that.
You're dead.
Speak, Bard! What happened to the stick of truth? The wizard had it thrown into the ocean. Lies! You shall feel the wrath of the Moorish.
Unhand him, you heathens! Release the bard or you'll have the king to deal with.
The king! They say he can slay a dragon with one blow.
That's right. And if you don't... Wait, whoa, where is the wizard?
I thought he was with you guys.
Now we got a distress signal to come help him here.
The wizard is gone. My name is the Coon. I'm from the future.
Dude, we said we're not playing that anymore.
Yeah, we're all split up. What's the point?
This is the point. In my time, there is a massive crime wave and missing cats. I knew my only hope was to assemble the team.
Hey, you can't switch games like this. Where's the stick of truth?
Shut up, Kevin. This isn't about some dumb stick. There's a cat in trouble, and it's the key to finding the crime syndicate new to our town. In the future. Crime syndicate? That sounds too heavy for Coon and friends. Well, what do you want, Clyde? You want the fucking Freedom Pals to find the missing cat, get the $100 reward, and make their superhero franchise more popular?
Fuck the Freedom Pals, dude.
That's right.
Poopsikins! There's a loud ringing coming from your basement playroom.
The Coon Alert. Come on, Coon friends. Go get your stuff and report back to the Coon Lair. In the future. Coon and friends assemble. Sorry, guys, you can't play with us. We're playing superheroes now, and you guys are dorks.
Well, nothing left to do but go home and play Star Trek Bridge Crew.
Maybe we can play our own game. Like,
My parents don't believe in synthetic fat.
Oh, hello. The boys are down in their little basement playroom. Oh, did you get locked out? I'm afraid little Eric put a lock on the door to keep me out. I'm sure he has the passcode written down here somewhere. Yes, officer. Somebody appears to have put lava in front of my door. Well, no, it's not hot, but my son told me I will burn to death if I try and cross it.
Maybe we should go to Raisins and see if the waitresses know anything. That's not enough, Mosquito. We have to act fast before the Freedom Pals can. $100 reward. Do you know what that could mean to our superhero franchise?
that cat looks pretty old. Maybe it just died in the gutter somewhere.
Human Kite, do I have to remind you that as of right now, Freedom Pals have 100 followers on Instagram? We have 6. The 5 of us and Billy Turner, who's a ginger. This is the key to finally beating those fuckers. But where do we start looking? That cat could be anywhere. We need to split up. Mosquito, take to the air and check out all the city parks.
You got it. Mosquito away.
Human kite, see if the cat is stuck up a tree somewhere. You've got the storm drain, Super Craig.
Woo!
Super Craig.
Fast Pass, I need you to use your superhuman speed to get to the mayor's office and tell her we're on the case. Don't worry, Coon. You can count on Fast Pass to get there fast. Excuse me. Hey! Do not touch that! Stop! That device can blow up the entire Milky Way galaxy! Jesus, fuck! Mom! The new kid is trying to play with the cube of ultimate destruction!
You be nice to all your friends, Eric. Be a good sharer.
Good sharer! It'll blow up the fucking galaxies! Stupid bitch! Look, dude, we already told you, you can't play. You aren't a superhero. You don't have a costume. You don't have any superpowers. Alright, look, you can watch us play superheroes as long as you don't get in the way. Make yourself useful. Go grab me the Stefernity device. It's over there. Well, that took long enough. Stefernity device active. You really want to be a superhero, huh? Play with the big boys? Well, maybe. Maybe you can be useful. Have a seat at the table, douchebag. Let's see, mosquitoes, ABLs. Jeez, not there. That's mosquito seat. Not there either, stupid. Alright, in order to play superheroes, you have to have a superhero persona. Then you can fill out your character sheet on Coonstagram. Do you have a Coonstagram page? Oh boy, you're not even on Coonstagram, huh? Well, I guess I can create one for you. Fucking unbelievable. Let's see. So the first thing we need to fill out on your character Brutalist. Since you're a newbie, you can only choose between 3 for now. Blaster. Speedster. A blaster with range powers like Cyclops. Okay, douchebag, but now, we need to find out what terrible thing in your past drives you. You see, douche, all superheroes have a compelling backstory. It's from that backstory that their powers gain meaning. Let's take you back to when you were just a child. You lay awake that night. Like so many other nights, you couldn't sleep because you knew you weren't like the other kids. You walked to the mirror. You walked to the mirror. Over there, the mirror. Just you looked in the mirror and you felt alone. And that's when it happened. A loud noise. You swore you could hear your mother calling for help. You left your room. Out in the hallway, you saw 2 intruders in front of your parents' door. You had to stop them from hurting your parents. You knew you had the power to stop them, so for the first time you called upon your blaster powers. As a blazing blaster hero, you began to overheat as the fire in your belly ignited. You wasted no time delivering sick burns into the villains before you. As the flames cleared, the intruders realized what they were up against.
Shit, this little flamer means business!
Didn't your mom tell you not to play with fire?
The intruders moved in to attack.
You've left us no choice, kid.
With the enemies closing in, you gave yourself some space by knocking your foes back. But the intruders wouldn't take getting pushed around lightly.
Hey, you can't push us around like that.
Little did they know, they set themselves up for destruction.
So much range. I'll just get out of the way.
His comrade fallen, the extra ugly one closed in.
Not so hot now, you little flamer. Yeah, we showed him.
You were gravely injured, but the intruder's blows only awakened the fires that burned within you. You swallowed the pain and unleashed your ultimate attack. And so you beat them. All seemed to be okay, but then you finally reached your parents' door. And what you saw when you opened that door changed your life forever and led you to fighting crime. You were too late, because when you opened that door, you saw your dad fuck your mom. Wow, that's a pretty heavy backstory. You fight crime because you never forgot the night you weren't in time, and you saw your own father, the man you trusted, fuck your mom. It's like a ripple in time you can't ever change, isn't it? All right, now that you're a superhero, I have a mission for you. I need you to go out into town and try to get as many followers as you can on Coonstagram. It's the only way our franchise will survive.
Oh, a selfie. Yes, I've heard of those. Oh, wonderful. I'll see you on the internet.
You'll need more followers before I selfie with you.
New kid, looks like you've reached the edge of our known universe. Beyond there lies the limits of time and space.
Look, I only selfie with popular people. When I go home, I'm gonna play Star Trek VR, and it's gonna be awesome! Sorry, I don't follow just anyone on social media. Look, I only selfie with popular people.
Can you help me with this thing? It's stuck. Hey, you got it open. You're the real deal, little superhero. A selfie? Sure, kid, let's do it. Okay, nice.
Okay, I guess you're popular enough to selfie with. We're friends now, I guess. Well, I guess we have enough mutuals that we can selfie.
Not bad, butthole. You're gaining followers pretty fast. Keep up the good work. I'm still having trouble reaching some of the Coon friends. You might want to see what's going on.
Okay, I guess you're popular enough to selfie with. We're friends now, I guess.
Look out, Buttlord! Those are 6th graders. They're the most vile, evil beings known to superheroes.
You guys are stupid.
Everyone knows Kiefer's mom has the nicest boobs.
Dude, shut up about my mom's boobs, bro.
Why don't you make me, zit face?
You guys want to go to the movies? There might be some...
When I finish kicking your butt, I'm gonna kick your stupid frog's butt.
Frogs don't have butts, they have cloaca. You got him on the ropes. Yes, that was awesome.
I can't say no to kicking some fourthy ass.
Ew, so gross. Is it too late to talk this out?
Shut up, wuss! Ah!
The tables are turning.
Shut up, fourthy! It's my turn now.
No mercy, new kid. The bully has become the bullied.
I'm still the bully. Titty twister!
Uh-oh, that looked painful. Please don't die, new kid. Wow, you really beat him. You saved me.
Wow, nice work, new kid. You took down a 6th grader. Keep it up.
You really want a selfie with me? Watching you defeat that 6th grader was so cool. Maybe I can become as strong as you one day.
Soon you will be approaching Super Craig's Fortress of Solitude. Super Craig hasn't checked in. I hope nothing's wrong.
Greetings, citizen. It is I, Super Craig. I'm sorry, but I cannot assist anyone with their problems right now. Super Craig can't find his guinea pig. Go tell the coon that I'm not playing until I find Stripe. He's not just a normal guinea pig. He belongs to me and my ex-boyfriend. That's right, Super Craig is gay. I'll bet Stripe is down in the basement again. We should start in the basement. That's the last place I saw him. We should start in the basement. That's the I'll stand by the stairs and keep him from escaping. You do the rest, butthole. Be careful. This is probably the most challenging mission you've ever been given. Oh, sweet. Those might be handy. You're welcome. Look, there he is, in the vent, way up high. Oh, almost. Do it again. Whoa, there he goes. Follow that guinea pig. Quick, hit that box with your thing. Whoa, shit! I can't believe you just did that. You're so good at this. Move that thing out of the way. Hurry! Do your thing or he won't come out until he gets hungry. Wow, that looked like it required so much skill. Use the power of your ass to overwhelm his super sensitive smell. Yes, Stripe, a brilliant rescue. But it wasn't just me. We have Buttlord and his sickening asshole to thank. You did it, newbie. If you ever need help, you can count on Super Craig. Are you ready to go on some super adventures, Super Friend? I was talking to Stripe, not you, butthole. Ah, yes. Who wouldn't want a selfie with the Craig of Steel? Oh, good. We're done. A Super Craig without a stripe is like a Supergirl without a bicycle.
Psst, new kid. Hey there, are you one of Craig's friends? You looking for Craig? Me? Let's just say I'm an art collector specializing in a delightfully modern and extremely confusing Asian art form known as yaoi. Crazy, right? But this stuff is worth a fortune to the right buyer. If in your adventures you find any of these, bring them to me. I will reward you handsomely. Come back with any new pieces you find.
Stop! New kid, stop! You see all those little red Lego bricks? That's lava. You try and cross lava, you die. Don't even touch it. Wait, this doesn't even make sense. Who would put lava there?
Take that, Coon friend.
Professor Chaos.
That's right, Coon. I have strategically placed lava throughout the town. I can't make it too easy for you. What good is the world without a little chaos? Okay, turn it off now.
We'll deal with chaos when the time is right. For now, we have to keep our eye on the prize. Coon, out.
Now watch this, bro! This one I learned from Usher, bitch!
Do such a thing. It's just so mean. Hey, kid, you know anything about this? Somebody's keying my wife's car at night. It's happening every night. I thought it was just one of you damn kids, but well, here, come here, take a look at this. Whoever's scratching the car is also leaving notes. I'm just scared it's a jilted lover or something. You won't forget me that easy. I thought we had something. I'll tell the world about you, bitch.
Listen, I'm sick of having to buff this shit out. If you can catch whoever's keying my wife's car tonight, I'll follow you on Coonstagram. Trust me, you want me as a follower. I'm a pretty big deal in this town.
You gotta come at night. Whoever's doing this shit is waiting till dark.
Ah, I see you've made it to the Palace of the Clouds. That's home base to humankind. Perhaps you can find him inside.
Who the hell are you? Really? You sent a newbie to my distress call? You're such a dick, Coon. Sorry, kid, but my problem is too big for a rookie. A few days ago, there was an anomaly in the universe. Another version of me, the human kite from an alternate dimension, showed up here and is destroying everything. Right now, it is upstairs in my room. I don't think anything can stop it. Human Kite from another universe is behind this door. I can't fight him for obvious reasons, you know, alternative universe paradox shit. So you are going to have to take him out. You've got to really kick his ass, dude, so that he wants to return back to his universe on the East Coast. You ready? All right, go get him. Zoom. Oh, hey, Kyle. I'm big. Who's your friend? Did he come to play with us? All right, me from another universe. It is time for you to go back to your universe. What do you mean, Kyle? We're a team, remember? I'm not from another universe. We're like best super pals. As you can see, he is the one running around giving the Human Kite a bad name. He was sent here to destroy me and weaken my powers. No, I came to spend 2 weeks with my cousin and wanted to play superheroes. And then he said, okay, what superhero do you want to be? And I said, I want to be Human Kite. But he said, you can't be Human Kite. I'm Human Kite. And I said, well, why can't we be Human Kites together? So I went to Aunt Sheila and I said, I want to be Human Kites together. And she told him he had to do what I said because I was the guest. Remember? I'm sorry, me from another universe, but it is time for you to learn that playing superheroes is too painful. New kid, you must now destroy my alter ego. Oh, Jesus, we're gonna fight? That's right. If you really want to play, then this is how you do it. Well, all right. Anything to make me and my cousin more alike. Prepare for battle, weakling. I haven't done a whole lot of sparring. Is this a no-contact thing? Full contact, not sparring. Oh, I'm afraid that's impossible. I didn't bring my pads. It's happening. Get him, new kid. Cousin Kyle, we can beat him if we join forces. Yeah, I really want to, but parallel universe rules say I can't. This seems very dangerous. Oh my, there's a lot of decisions in this game, aren't there? You could not play. That's a decision you could make. Oh, don't be silly. Oh, you guys, time out. My vertigo is starting to act up. Jesus, come on, dude. Oh, jeez, did you have to hit so hard? Okay, I think my inner ear fluids have stabilized now. That last hit didn't count, right? I'm undoing that damage, okay, Kyle? That's some classic alternate universe bullshit. Didn't your parents tell you not to play with fire? Because look what's happening now. Hold on, I need a timeout so I can use my inhaler. Cousin Kyle, I called a timeout and he didn't listen. You know my asthma flares up when I exert myself. Yeah, I think this would be a lot more fair if I had a shield. Some kind of shield, like the Sefer Torah, which also has a great sentimental value. Dude, Human Kite is an alien. There's no Jewish stuff involved. And you can't just make up powers in the middle of a battle. I'm not making it up. It's totally canon in my alternate universe. Phew. Does anyone have hydrocortisone cream, preferably prescription strength? Wait, I thought I should get this turn instead of the new kid because he didn't wait when I said timeout earlier, so I think it should be my turn now. Are you kidding me? That's totally cheating. Oh, geez, I didn't think I'd actually hit you. Ooh, ow, careful, don't hit my glasses. All right, here we go, my super ultimate power. Get ready. Are you ready? Oh, Jesus. Okay, Wrath Kite from an alternate universe. Oh, Jesus. I think I might have ruptured my hernia. You had enough, alternate me? Yeah, the superhero stuff really hurts. I better go back to my universe. Oh, you're leaving? Dude, that sucks. Yeah, I'll be going back to my universe now, Human Kite. I need some Camphophonique for my ear because I got a scrape on it by being farted on. Dude, I don't know how to thank you. From now on, call on me whenever you need help. Okay, yeah, just 2 heroes hanging out. Sweet! take a picture.
Not bad, new kid, not bad. Way to go out and get some followers on Coonstagram. I think you're ready for the next level. Head back to the Coon lair. Coon, out.
Fuck you, Mom.
Ah, there you are, butthole. Being a superhero is a little harder than you thought, huh? It's okay, you totally suck, but I can't help but feel sorry for you, because your dad fucked your mom when you were a child. Come this way. I'm gonna teach you about artifacts. You see, most superheroes augment their abilities with specialized equipment. You see this? It's a strength artifact. You'll find things like these all over town. The trick is to equip them into your artifact slots. Go on, give it a shot. Every artifact has a specific place it can be slotted on your body. Equip this one to boost your strength stats. It might be a little uncomfortable at first. Your DNA is fusing with it. You'll find more artifacts out there during your superhero adventures, and you can even craft your own. Just remember, with great power comes great chicks and money. I think you're ready to take on those 6th graders now. Go give them hell, butt lord. Oh, hey, new kid. You found your first fast travel station. Look for more. They'll make your life way easier.
Here, kitty! Here, kitty, kitty, kitty! Just throw a rock at it. No, I gotta throw a rock at it.
Are we really going to take on the 6th graders?
No mercy, guys!
Nice outfits, tools!
Okay, let's see what you got, new kid.
That's going to leave some scars.
Take your medicine, fourthies!
Okay, who's the next target of my unbridled rage? Ha! Have your boyfriend massage that for you.
Swooping in on a breeze of justice.
Yow!
Staring contest, you lost!
Mega Pump Push!
What? Sixth graders can't die. We're immortal.
Ow! Ow, shit!
I'm going through a lot of stuff right now, and needing to punch you was one of them.
If you excuse me, I have a balloon.
Oh, I'm up? Okay. Galvanize, you got it! And now you've got a damage-absorbing shield! What the shit? I want a damage-absorbing shield!
My turn.
Give him hell, douchebag! Who to torment? I choose you!
That sucks for you.
For Fourthy Scum, you guys are kind of scrappy.
Feel the wrath of human kite! Stupid Fourthy with a kite on his back! I like our odds!
Oh, I can finally go? Thanks. This move is awesome against relatively weak.
Man, we kicked some sixth grade ass!
Okay, that was pretty badass.
We make a good team! See ya, man!
All right, that was sweet. Wait until it gets on the internet about how the Coon and friends beat up 4 sixth graders. This is great for our franchise. Kind of sucks for you, though, new kid, because now the sixth graders are going to be coming after you. You probably shouldn't have done that. That was pretty stupid. Okay, now go and get our franchise more followers. Whoa, wait a minute. You didn't fill out your kryptonite. So, what, you're invincible? There's no way. That's against the rules. You have to have a weakness. Go find Mosquito. He can help you out. I'll put the rest of the character sheet stuff on your map. Now get out there and do some superhero missions. That's the only way to fill out your character sheet. Congratulations, new kid. Your fast travel system is fully good to go. Find more stations to expand your network. And when you get into trouble, Fast Pass will be there. Bye.
Unlimited HD media streaming sound, visual voicemail.
Can I interest you in a new contract with up to 5 gigabytes of data per month?
Come back anytime. Ooh, I'd love to do that after you purchase a phone plan. Come back anytime.
I just love helping people commit to a 2-year contract with unlimited texting and voice.
Okay, sure. Boy, won't Wendy be surprised. Okay with you if I go back to work now? Wonderful.